Let's look at what automated agentic evaluations are and why you should use them. Your AI agent handles thousands of interactions. You want to know it's performing the way you expect. Agentic evaluations give you that confidence. The system runs your agent through test scenarios selected by you and automatically scores how well it delivers on its intended tasks. Think of it as quality assurance for agents, a repeatable, scalable way to ensure your agent is ready for the real world. You're building an AI agent. It works great when you test it. But how do you know it will hold up when real users push it in unexpected ways? Agentic evaluations let you stress test your agent before it goes live. You catch edge cases, spot regressions between updates, and build confidence that it performs consistently, not just once, but every time you make a change. It's how you move from "I think it works" to "I know it works." To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.